Hi, welcome to Magic Chef Head. In today's Magic Chef Head, I'm sharing the recipe of a easy and tasty chicken lollipop. Here I have taken 12 pieces of chicken wings. Now let me show you how to make these wings into the shape of a chicken lollipop. Take one piece of chicken wing. Start cutting from one side and push the flesh into the other side with the help of a knife. You can see two bones here. We need to remove one from that. It's very easy to remove the bone like this. Now let me show you rest of the ingredients for this recipe. 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri chili powder, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of corn flour. Now I am adding white sesame seed, 1 teaspoon. This is completely optional. Salt to taste. Mix it well and keep aside for 1 hour. Now let's fry the chicken wings. Here I am using sunflower oil. For this recipe, don't use any flavorful oils like coconut oil or olive oil, etc. Chicken lollipop is ready here. We need to remove it from the oil. Now you can see our tasty and easy restaurant style perfect chicken lollipop. Do try this recipe at home and let me know your comments. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like the video. Thanks for watching.